Hey guys, welcome back. In this one, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to more than one person. Okay, how to separate the emails. So let's say I wanted to send something to my brother and my sister and my dad and my mom. Okay, all you got to do is type in the first email. So brother@gmail.com. My brother's name is not brother, by the way. And all you got to do is press semicolon, space, and then type the next email. So go sister@gmail.com. Semicolon, space again, dad@gmail.com, semicolon, space, mother@gmail.com. Okay, now you can do this for both the to field, okay, for both the to field and the CC field. It's the same rules. Oops, what I press that? And what happens is, when you move out of the field, as you can see, the formatting is changed. It has now become hyperlinks. Okay, it's one unit of text. And when you got the underline, it means you're good to go. When you press the send button, it's going to send this email to all four of these people. Okay, so this one and this one. And that's how you do multiple sends. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.